Home buyers, don't make these critical mistakes when you're looking for a home. In a moment, we're going to tell you how to get a free report on the 6 costly things to know before you go out shopping for a home. Mistakes most home buyers make. We're down here at our wonderful open house down here in Bay Cliff. Wonderful 4-bedroom, 3-bath, just a great home. Right near the bay. If you like this, like the sound and smells of the ocean, this is a great place for you. So what is the top mistake that most home buyers make? Well, the number one mistake is that they don't talk to a lender before they go out shopping. They don't know their buying power. They're looking either in the too low of price range or worse, too high a price range. So you need to know what your buying power is. You need to know what you're going to be comfortable committing to on a monthly basis. So now, how do you get your free report for the 6 mistakes home buyers make? Just send me a text message, call me. It's Gary Evans, 832-721-0442. It's Gary Evans, Evans Realty, and we'll get you that free report out right away. So we don't want you to make those home buying mistakes that others make. If you like this information, if you thought it was valuable, please share it with a friend. Click like. We're also on a mission to raise $10,000 for Texas Children's Hospital. We do that by contributing a significant portion of each one of our closings to Texas Children's. So your business and your referrals really do help the kids at Texas Children's. So thank you so much for watching this. Everybody have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.